morning. Ay! Naririnig ka dyan sa labas. Sasa ka na. Tatry lang ako.
Sorry ah.
Hindi, okay lang.
Hiya-hiyaan. Hi, I'm Ginnie. I will stay here in Boracay for a month. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking daily vlog. Let's work and vacay here in Boracay.
Ang video na ito ay hindi handa, kaya makinig ka na lang. Walang maayos na video. First time vlogger learn, hindi pa sanay. Bangit! So yun guys, paglabas nyo ng Kalibo Airport, there are lots of van outside and it costs 300 pesos and the travel time is up to 2 hours. It's Kalibo to port na. And then from port, you're going to pay also the environmental fee, terminal fee, and the boat. So the environmental fee is 150, terminal fee is 150, and the boat is 50 pesos. And then after that, magta-tricycle na lang kayo. Always ask the tricycle driver if individual. Individual, it means that you're going to ride with the other people. So, yung sa akin is malapit lang siya sa port. So, ang binayaran ko is 15 pesos. Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true.